I've had, and I won't even project on anything I'm about to say here, but I've had a lot of moments where, I've had a savior complex in me. I've seen people hurt. I've seen people just kind of going down some directions that I know in the end is not going to be beneficial to you. Listen, when I was addicted to porn, when your boy was addicted to free, I had to get to where I was like, bro, I'm just tired of feeling this. I'm tired. Jesus will only give the freedom to those who desire it. You have to want it. You have to come to him, seek him for it. He'll give it freely. You got to want it though. You have to want it. Like, one of the things that is so interesting is I've had, and I won't even project on anything I'm about to say here, but I've had a lot of moments where, I've had a savior complex in me. I've seen people hurt. I've seen people just kind of going down some directions that I know in the end is not going to be beneficial to you. So I insert myself. I insert my heart. I insert everything I want to help this person, not realizing that that individual has to make the decision themselves. And sometimes in this space where we want others to experience the same freedom, there are times when I'm driving in the car, tears in my eyes, and I'm just thinking just thinking, who doesn't want to experience a love like this? Like who doesn't want to experience a freedom like this? Who in their right mind? And there's so much that goes into that. I mean, we could stay here all night and talk about it. It's understanding, man, that people just have to want it for themselves. So some people are just going to fall flat on their face. You don't got to watch. I know that sounds crazy. You don't got to watch. Turn around, look away. And they'll hit their face and eyes are hurting, nose busted up. They look awful after that landing. Right. And sometimes, man, some people, it takes that for them to actually see, you know what, this really isn't as beneficial as I was hoping it would be, as I thought it would be. And if they ever turn around and you're still there, you're still available, you're still loving, that's not an opportunity to rub it in their face. That's just an opportunity to welcome them with open arms and continue loving them. Right? Because Jesus gives us the same opportunity. This entire Bible, this is literally the invitation that Jesus gives us as an opportunity to accept the invitation of freedom that he grants. We all have an opportunity to respond to this thing. And it's up to us. That's the beautiful thing about it. I mean, you don't have to believe what I believe. We don't got to agree. I can still love you. I can still talk to you. I can still carry conversations with you. You don't got to believe what I believe. But this thing right here is an opportunity to really see what this freedom is all about, walk it out, and watch him change your life, the way you think, the way you live, the way you behave. You won't be the same. You just won't. And you'll look back and be so grateful that you made the decision to choose him over the many vices that you maybe had at your disposal, but you recognize because of your willingness to understand, you know what? I was going to go to that. And then I started asking, then what? Because for some reason, I keep ending up here. I keep ending up, taking that bite and taking that temptation and taking that bait. And I go crazy with it. But the problem don't go away. The problem doesn't go away. The feeling doesn't go away. I'm right back where I was when I was tempted at the strongest opportunity to take. I was tempted. I went for it. I was like, man, I'm going to go ahead and give into it. But it didn't change nothing. And I'm tired of coming back to this empty feeling and considering this over and over again. And sometimes you just got to get to the point where you're tired of it. I've been there. Listen, when I was addicted to porn, when your boy was addicted to pornography, I had to get to where I was like, bro, I'm just tired of feeling this. I'm tired. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired of going to this and going to that, looking for some help and ain't getting it, man. I'm tired of it. So I had to start asking, like, okay, cool. So I already know what the end result is going to be once I give into this. And I know that I'm going to be right back where I was. So what, then what? Then what? You going to do this. You're going to watch this. You're going to, and then what? Oh, nothing. Right back where we are. So how about we just stop doing that? And sometimes it takes people doing the most. Sometimes. And just being in prayer that it doesn't go to the extreme. Where it hurts you greatly in the end. That's the prayer. But you can't help people who don't want to help themselves. Can't do it. And that is a tough part, but it's a real part. And it actually sets you free because I'm not responsible for you. I'm not responsible for your decisions. I love you, but I'm just not, and I'm here when you need me. So my second TED talk, man, golly. Yo, listen, I've got something amazing in the works for you available right now. If you're somebody who's looking to make this year your best year yet at diving into your faith and allowing it to become more applicable in your life. Never known where to start. You've always been confused. It feels overwhelming. Maybe you feel you don't have time. You don't know how to apply the Bible into your life. You have so many questions and thoughts as to what makes sense. How does it make sense? Don't worry, your boy's got you covered with the Faith Factory. Click the link down in the description below, and in this Google document, you will find a plethora of resources that are at your disposal for you to be able to grow in your faith. I'm talking Bible plans, content creators to follow and subscribe to that better will enrich your faith, resources, links, books, all of that good stuff, even worship playlists, something to jam out to as you progress through your day. I really think this can be the start of something good for you and the lives around you by locking in and making sure that this year is your best year spiritually, therefore making it your best year ever. Don't forget to click the link in the description and go be great. Hey, listen, if you stuck to the end of this from the bottom of my heart, thank you oh so much. If you want to hear more of these kinds of conversations in this format, please check the description below. There you will find a link to sign up for a Maverick membership. This is where the Truth Project sessions go down every Thursday night, 7 p.m. Central Time, where you can be a part of conversations just like the one I shared in this video. Your worldview is welcome, no matter what worldview you come from, and we're all there pursuing one goal: truth. Check the link in the description, sign up, 3 days for free. After that, it's $9.99 a month, but you'll get your money's worth and then some. I'll see you over there, and until next time, be easy and be breezy, my friend. Peace.